Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to fix transaction declined in Valorant. So first things first, when you get out of the game, make sure to restart your Valorant a few times. Now, if that doesn't work, you have to restart your computer. So just go ahead and click restart. Now, when you're back up and running and it still doesn't work, go ahead and go to your start window, type in firewall and network protection. This is what we need to open. When you click on that and you see this option that says allow an app through firewall, go ahead and click on that. You should be routed or this window should pop up, and then make sure to look for Valorant on this list and make sure it is checked to enable. And then once that's done, go ahead and press OK, and that should fix the error. And that's how you fix transaction declined in Valorant. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.